Theta cost really equivalent to $0.7512 a coin, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The present exchanged cost range, 0.7374 0.7724. Or so they truly thought. The earlier day close, 0.7650 in an especially large way. The change truly was 0.0138, 1.80%, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Converse rate, United States dollars to Theta in an unpretentious way. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, Theta cost forecast on Monday, July 3, cost $0.80, greatest 0.86, really least 0.74, which by and large is very critical. Theta gauge on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.84, fundamentally most extreme 0.90, especially least 0.78, which basically is very huge. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, July 5, cost $0.84, especially most extreme 0.90, exceptionally least 0.78 in every practical sense, large way. Theta gauge on Thursday, July 6, cost $0.79, for the most part greatest 0.85, kind of least 0.73 in an unobtrusive way. Theta cost forecast on Friday, July 7, cost $0.80, really most extreme 0.86, sort of least 0.74. In multi-week Theta gauge on Monday, July 10, cost $0.77, most extreme 0.82, especially least 0.72 in an unobtrusive way. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, July 11, cost $0.80, sort of greatest 0.86, extremely least 0.74. Theta estimate on Wednesday, July 12, cost $0.79, truly greatest 0.85, truly least 0.73, which truly is very critical. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, July 13, cost $0.84 in every practical sense, greatest 0.90, essentially least 0.78, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta gauge on Friday, July 14, cost $0.84, genuinely most extreme 0.90, really least 0.78, which certainly is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Theta cost expectation on Monday, July 17, cost $0.90, sort of greatest 0.96, lovely least 0.84, or so they generally thought. Theta estimate on Tuesday, July 18, cost $0.93, truly most extreme 1.00, genuinely least 0.86, or so they in a real sense thought. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, July 19, cost $0.93 in every practical sense, most extreme 1.00, kind of least 0.86, which in a real sense shows that the earlier day close, 0.7650, which especially is genuinely huge. Theta conjecture on Thursday, July 20, cost $0.92, genuinely most extreme 0.98, by and large least 0.86, exhibiting that Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, July 19, cost $0.93 in every practical sense, greatest 1.00, truly least 0.86, which sort of shows that the earlier day close, 0.7650. Theta cost expectation on Friday, July 21, cost $0.92, essentially greatest 0.98, sort of least 0.86 incredibly. In 3 weeks Theta figure on Monday, July 24, cost $0.93, truly most extreme 1.00, sort of least 0.86, exhibiting how in about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, July 17, cost $0.90, really greatest 0.96, by and large least 0.84 in a by and large enormous manner. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, July 25, cost $0.97, sort of greatest 1.04, exceptionally least 0.90, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta gauge on Wednesday, July 26, cost $0.94, kind of most extreme 1.01, least 0.87, or so they certainly thought. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, July 27, cost $0.92, sort of greatest 0.98, certainly least 0.86, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta gauge on Friday, July 28, cost $0.93, beautiful greatest 1.00, truly least 0.86 in a huge way. In about a month Theta cost forecast on Monday, July 31, cost $0.92, most extreme 0.98, least 0.86 in a kind of enormous way. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.81, certainly greatest 0.87, least 0.75, which is very huge. United States dollars to Theta today. United States dollars to Theta conversion scale, kind of equivalent to 1.3312 coins per $1, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Today's reach, 1.2947, 1.3561 in a sort of large way. The past day's nearby, 1.3072 in an unpretentious way. Change for now plus 0.0240. Plus 1.84% in a genuinely significant way. United States dollars to Theta cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which in a real sense is very critical. Dollar to Theta estimate on Monday, July 3, cost 1.250 coins, sort of greatest 1.351, certainly least 1.163 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost 1.190 coins, lovely greatest 1.282 in every practical sense, least 1.111, showing how Theta figure on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.81, beautiful most extreme 0.87, truly least 0.75, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dollar to Theta gauge on Wednesday, July 5, cost 1.190 coins, truly most extreme 1.282, fundamentally least 1.111, which essentially is very critical. United States dollars to Theta forecast on Thursday, July 6, cost 1.266 coins, truly most extreme 1.370, exceptionally least 1.176, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Theta estimate on Friday, July 7, cost 1.250 coins, really greatest 1.351, kind of least 1.163, genuinely is opposed to prevalent thinking. In multi-week United States dollars to Theta expectation on Monday, July 10, cost 1.299 coins, essentially most extreme 1.389, certainly least 1.220, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Tuesday, July 11, cost 1.250 coins, greatest 1.351, exceptionally least 1.163, which generally shows that Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, July 19, cost $0.93, extremely most extreme 1.000,